Today I'm working on a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta, and what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be changing the cabinet air filter, and I'm going to be using Air Technic. I never heard of them. A friend of mine recommended them to me. I got this in Amazon for like $13, $14. I really don't remember the price, but it beats going to the dealer, because if you go to the dealer just to change your cabinet air filter, they're going to charge you about $125. This filter is a three-stage filter. 1, capture polluting particles. 2, observe gases and odor. 3, prevent formation of bacteria. Let me just show you inside because I found it interesting. This has like this little cushion here for when you put it inside. So this is how it looks. Let's go change this cabinet air filter on this 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. The cabinet filter is right in the passenger side, right in the front, and it's right down here. But first we have to remove that cover. To remove this cover, it has like 2 plastic screws. One's supposed to be right here, but this one is broken. But there's another one right here, and all you have to do is just use your hand and remove it. Now to remove this cover, you can just go right here in the side and push it down. Once you push that down, now you're exposed to the cabinet air filter, and it has this cover. And I believe to remove this cover, I think we have to go this way. We grab it here, and yep, we go this way, and there we go. Just remember how it goes. See that? So we'll put it here, and here goes our filter here. Just remember how the filter goes. So all you have to do is just push it down. Oh boy, this thing is dirty. Just remember how you're taking this filter out. And look at this filter. Nice and dirty. Now we're just gonna put the other filter in, the new one, and all we have to do is just find the hole. Once you find it, take your time. Push it in slowly. Make sure it's all the way up. There it goes. It's nice and tight in there. Now we're going to take the cover, and we removed it this way, so that means we're going to have to, you see these little plastic things here? They're going to go right where the hole is at. You see these holes? There's 6 of them. So all we're going to do is just push it in there. Push them all in. And then we're going to just push back. There it goes. It's nice and tight. Now we're going to put this other cover that goes here. And to put this cover, all we have to do is just push it back first, all the way to the back. Push it in here. Remember, it got holes, so there's like some tubes there that you can put them in. Make sure all of them go in. Okay, so it's in. Now usually you'll have 2 screw to screw on. This is the one that's broken. I think this is the one, right? Yep, and we're gonna just put this one in here. And that's it. You have replaced your cabinet air filter on your 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.